Actually been wanting to do this. I'm going to grab a scan tool. I'm going to do a quick video on volumetric efficiency. Got this calculator. I've been aiming to do it on my truck. I haven't had time to really play with it, so today it's a little bit of playtime. We're going to go ahead and grab a scan tool. Already hooked up anyway, but we'll grab a scan tool and do a couple of wide open throttle runs and see what the tool is telling us. Later on, I'm going to explain the data PIDs. Like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and grab a tool. We need barrel measurement. We need mass airflow measurement, temperature, well, cat's got my tongue. Well, I'll explain it later on in the calculator. The best that I know to do it with the calculator anyway. Like I said, it's nothing scientific. This is just curiosity on my part, you know. Like I said, I hadn't been able to use the calculator, so let's go ahead and do it and see what we get. Okay, this is some data from the test drive. Get this filled in. It was 39% humidity, 29.8 inches of mercury. As far as my barrel, it was 61 degrees Fahrenheit. My displacement is 5.3. My RPM, if you look at the cursor here, it was 5454. 5454. And mass airflow reported current value is 255.73. Now with this data, I should be able to make that calculation with 88% efficiency. Not really all that great, but let's go to another spot. Actually, that was the wrong place. This would be the right place. If I think about this now, so current RPM was 5403 and mass air was at current is 259.69, which was also the highest reported. This was from a second to a third shift. I'm not mistaken, it's at 90%, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that calculator again later, as we're going to do a little bit of tuning. So to be fair, as with anything else, you know, there's going to be some variables associated with all that good stuff, and you know, I'm not an expert on that VE calculator and how really proficiently to use that, but this one here is the calculator from the Drivability Guys. I actually purchased it on AES Wave. You know, it keeps me from having to have internet access. If you guys are looking for something free and you want to play with the same thing, that ATG right here, that Automotive Trading Group, they've got one on their website, and I done went ahead and plugged my numbers in here. So as you can see, it is roughly about the same. So here it says about 90.65% estimated VE. Excuse me, but it gives us a 88.07% of theoretical load. Like I said, I'm not an expert on it. Don't claim to be.
this is just another calculator, you know, and there may be more of them out there. I had this one here, I have this one here in my favorites, but like I said, the downside on this is you have to have internet. Granted, most devices nowadays will have internet, not a problem at all, but anyway, there is options here. You can get the Android app, you can get that as well. So you do the same thing with it. Just saying, you know, I like the Windows stuff because I like the Windows stuff. You know, I like the bigger screen. You know, the people that take the time to make the stuff, you know, I don't mind supporting them a little bit. So, in closing, you guys make up your own mind what you're going to use. Either one of them, I'm sure, will get you close. And I'm sure that either one of them will have the results you're looking for. If you're looking for something that is bad, you know, that's gone wrong. Because, you know, on something like this, it's been said many times by other technicians, you know, you should always know a known good, not start with a known bad. Because the problem with it is, if you starting with a known bad, well, how are you ever going to know what's good and what is bad, you know, or how are you going to know what makes it bad? So anyway, I'm out. Thanks for watching.